back to my channel. So today I'm going to film a very natural and glowy and summer vibe look. I know it's not summer anymore and it's pretty late, but I think it can be useful for the next summer of 2021. And yeah, let's get started and hope you enjoy the video. As I will be doing my makeup, I will probably give the products on here somewhere, and if I anytime look at this side, then I will be looking at my mirror, so excuse me for that. And yeah, let's get straight into the video. First, I'm going to moisturize my face with this Jovees Hydra Moist Plus Intense Moisturizer. So I'm going to first apply this to my face, and then as I moisturize my face, I'm going to use foundation, but this time I'm not going to cover it like the full face, but I'm going to use this just only under my eyes and in this T-zone to highlight my nose and under my eyes and stuff. So yeah, let's do that. So first I'm going to take it here like that, and then here and here. So you can see get some of the foundation on this side and this and on this T-zone, so I'm going to blur it out. So you can see I did the base, and I'm going to give some of the more foundation on here, right here, just to highlight this part. It looks a little more natural and glowy. So now I'm going to use this liner of Lakme. I'm going to line this on my lower eyeline, and I will see you soon after I do that. So as you can see, I lined like knot on my eyelashes behind the eyelashes, so it will look more natural and like awake. And now I'm going to use the eyeliner and line the upper part of my lashes, just like a small line. I will do one eye in the camera and another eye outside the camera, so that it will be easier for me to match. So as you can see, I did my eyeliner, and now I'm going to do a little blush, so it would be looking like a little sunburn area of your cheeks. So here's a tip for you, like to awaken your eyes. Just like take a little bit of foundation or concealer and just put it in here, this side and here. I did like very much just to like brighten your eyes up. I don't know if you can see, but you can like this has brightened my eyes up. This is a little hack for it. Just like put your like foundation or concealer on this corner and this corner of your eyes. It will brighten your eyes up, and it will be very easy for like to look very good and intense and the summer vibe. So yeah, that's a hack for you there. And now I'm going to take this brush right there and just take a very like small tipped brush and take some like white eyeshadow. Just you can see I took just a little bit, and it looks very good. This is another hack for you guys. as you can see, just like it is like more highlighted and it looks more natural. I mean, it's like more summer vibey. So yeah, now I'm going to use a little highlighter on this side of my cheek just to highlight the cheekbones. As you can see right there, and yeah, it looks very summer vibey and cool. This time I'm going to use 2 lipsticks. This is a very dark shade, so I like to line my lips with this and then fill my inner with this, so it really helps me brighten my lips up. But as this is a very natural look, I will use this only a little bit so that it's really like natural and glowy. And so yeah, this is my final look, and I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will put all the links, all the names of the products that I used on up here and in the description, so it would be easier for you guys to follow. And yeah, hope you all enjoyed the video.